Hello and welcome back to another genetics video. Today we're going to be discussing in this video how to do a dihybrid cross as well as what it is. So dihybrid crosses can look a little bit intimidating at first, but once you get the hang of them, they're actually pretty easy. So let's go ahead and get started on how to figure this out. So simply put, a dihybrid cross is a cross that contains two different traits that we solve for at the same time. So up to this point we've been going through and figuring out traits one by one, only dealing with one trait, a monohybrid cross. But here, we're going to be dealing with two. So as you can see here, the two traits we're dealing with seem to be color of the pea plant, as well as the texture. So color being either yellow or green, so the alleles yellow or green, or the texture being wrinkled or round, is what we're looking at here. So there is our second allele combination. So, simply put, what we're looking at, two different traits in the same Punnett square. So let's go ahead and actually try one and set one up. So what we're aiming to do here is to go ahead and show the possible offspring from a cross between two different bears, both heterozygous for facial hair, yeah, that's right, facial hair, and black fur. So our alleles here, the first one we're looking at is if it has facial hair or not. So the dominant variation, capital F, means facial hair. Lowercase f, the recessive, means no facial hair. And as far as fur color goes, the second trait we're looking at, black fur, capital B, is dominant to gray fur, lowercase b. So we're going to go ahead and do a cross with heterozygous for facial hair and black fur, and cross that with another bear that is heterozygous for facial hair and black fur. So on the next slide, I'll go ahead and show you how to set this up. Let's go. So the first thing we have to do is to go ahead and separate our alleles. So as you can see here, we have two different sets of alleles. We have the ones for facial hair, and we have the ones for fur color. And to go ahead and do this, we are going to use FOIL. So FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, last. So where it says first, we're going to use the first two letters from each combination. So that would give us capital F, capital B. The second variation we're going to use, or the second allele combination, is outer. So outer would correspond with the two letters on the outermost side of both. So in this case, the capital F and the lowercase b, giving us the allele combo, capital F, lowercase b. The third one we're going to look at is the inner combination. So inner, we're looking at lowercase f and capital B, considering if you looked at it like this, these two are on the inside. So that would give us the combination lowercase f, capital B. And finally, we have the last combination, or the last two letters in each allele combo. So in this case, that would give us lowercase f, lowercase b. So this is the hardest part of going ahead and doing a dihybrid cross, separating the alleles. Once you have this, it's just as similar as every other cross we've done. So this is how to set up the first bit. I'm going to go ahead and allow you to set up the second one on your own. So let's go ahead and actually get to the Punnett square now that we've separated some alleles. So if you remember correctly, here we go. We've got up top one of the bears. We have capital F, lowercase f, capital B, lowercase b. And what we have here is we foiled this on the last slide, remember? So we have capital F, capital B. So if we went ahead and combined those, keep like with like. So you keep your F's together and you keep your B's together. So we would have capital F, capital B, giving us a bear with facial hair and black fur. Remember, from O in FOIL, we got capital F, lowercase b, the I, lowercase f, capital B, and the L, lowercase f, lowercase b. What I'd like you to go ahead and do here is pause the video, finish the dihybrid cross on your own, and then come back to see if you got it right. So go ahead, pause the video now, and resume it when you're ready. Okay, welcome back. So let's go ahead and combine our alleles here. Before we do that, we must go ahead and find out the FOIL combinations for over here. And conveniently enough, We know these already because this is the same combinations from the top. And lowercase f, lowercase b there on the bottom. So from here, it's just a regular Punnett square. So up top, we would have capital F, capital B, lowercase b. Third one in the top row, capital F, lowercase f, capital B, capital B. Fourth one, capital F, lowercase f, capital B, lowercase b. So as we continue with this, I'm going to go ahead and just go through and put our combinations in. We have capital F, capital B, lowercase, capital F, lowercase, lowercase, capital F, lowercase f, capital B, lowercase b, capital F, lowercase f, lowercase b, lowercase b, capital F, lowercase f, capital B, capital B, capital F, lowercase f, capital B, lowercase b, lowercase f, capital B, lowercase f, capital B, lowercase. Then for the final row, we would have uppercase f, uppercase b, lowercase b, uppercase f, lowercase b, lowercase b, lowercase f, capital B, lowercase b. And finally, we would have lowercase f, lowercase b, lowercase b. And that would go ahead and give us all the combinations we need. So if you understand this, you can go ahead, pause the video, or just go ahead and scroll to the next slide. So what we're going to do real quick is go ahead and count things up. So first, let's go ahead and look at individuals that will have black fur and facial hair. So we're looking for a capital F and an uppercase B. So that would give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That would give us 9 individuals that have black fur and facial hair. So it would be dominant for both traits. Up next, let's go ahead and look at individuals that would be dominant for facial hair, but recessive for fur color. So we're looking for facial hair and gray fur coloration. So uppercase F and 2 lowercase b's. So that would be 1 combination here, 1 combination here, and 1 combination here. So that would give us 3. Next, let's look at individuals with no facial hair, so 2 lowercase f's, and black fur coloration, or uppercase B. That gives us 1, 2, 3. And finally, let's take a look at individuals that have no facial hair and also gray fur coloration. So we're looking for 2 lowercase f's and 2 lowercase b's. And as you can see here, we only have 1. So in the next slide, we'll go ahead and tally this up and see what we have. So keeping what we went ahead and solved in the last slide here with our dihybrid cross intact, if we go ahead and remember how many black fur facial hair we had, so we're looking for at least 1 capital F, 1 capital B, we had 9. How many gray fur and facial hair? So we're looking for a capital F and 2 lowercase b's. We had 3. Black fur and no facial hair, so 2 lowercase f's and 1 uppercase b at least, was 3. And how many for gray fur, no facial hair? Remember, there's only 1 combination for that. We would have had to have 2 lowercase f's and 2 lowercase b's, and there was only 1. So our ratio of individuals for homozygous dominant for both traits, heterozygous for one, heterozygous for the other, and homozygous recessive would be a 9:3:1 ratio. So 9:3:1 is the classic ratio for a heterozygous dihybrid cross. So from there, if you ever see a dihybrid cross asking you to go ahead and cross 2 heterozygous individuals for both traits, something like that, you don't even have to go ahead and do the cross anymore, because the ratio will always be 9:3:1. So that is going to go ahead and close-up shop on the Dihybrid Cross and how to perform one. If you have any questions about this, please go ahead, contact your instructor, and they'll point you in the right direction. So, from here on in, until the next time, you take care of yourself, have a wonderful day, and yo, look at how glorious this bear is. That is a bear with some fine facial hair. Anyway, that's all I really had to say. So, have yourself a good one, and until the next time, take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next video.